Hello guys, welcome to the channel everyone. In this one I will show you how to speed up your Windows 11 startup by disabling services. So guys, I recommend using a simple tweak that I will of course show you in this video, because if we open up our task manager, for example, right, go to services, as you can see the list is huge and you won't necessarily, especially as a beginner, as a newbie, will know what's even safe to disable, because you can easily brick your system if you disable something that you're not supposed to touch. So to fully evade that and have a professional do this for us, just open up your search on Google and type in Chris Titus tool right here. So this is a tool created by a very cool guy. He also has a YouTube channel, and this utility allows you to perform many tweaks. And one of those tweaks is actually disabling the services. So as you can see, this is what the app looks like. So guys, how do we even activate it, you might ask? So if you want to activate it, you just need to copy this stable branch code right here. Then you need to just minimize your browser, then press Shift and right click like this. And then just open up your Windows PowerShell. It's not necessary to run it as admin, but if you want to, you can do that. And then you just copy this, okay, insert it here. And you will be able to run it right inside this window, right inside PowerShell. In my case, I have a very handy context menu. As you can see, run CCT utility. So this will pretty much run for me, this utility, without me inserting the command. All right, there you go. So we are opening it up. And now go to tweaks. And then guys, we need to find a tweak, services, set to manual. So this will pretty much choose a very safe services that can be set to manual. So it's not even disabling them. It's pretty much just, setting them into a hibernated state, kind of, so that, they're not launched automatically, but only on demand. So if you yourself want to launch a certain process, service, you can do that, but otherwise they will be disabled and waiting for you to actually activate them. After you set this checkbox, just run tweaks, click on this button. You will see changes made on this window here. So I'll just do it for you. There you go, run tweaks. Okay, and as you can see, tweaks are finished. So nothing happened in my case because I already ran this command, and it's going to pretty much run through those services and disable all of the ones that are not necessary. And of course, speeding up your startup by doing so. That is it for this one, guys. Enjoy and like and subscribe as well.